Welcome to a morning walk in Fortress of Cliffs, where they filmed some of Game of Thrones here. And just on Friday, I was leading a masterclass in Croatian, and with the theme of how to move out of fear and anxiety. And it is incredible how much and how many people, how many of us have fear and anxiety, and we think that there's no way out. There is a way out. 3 things. 1, body. 2, breath. 3, voice. So, body. Move your body. Change your posture. The fastest way is our state. So, shake it off. Sing and dance, even if you don't feel like it. You will remove some of the fear out of the system. Breath. So, there are different ways of breathing, especially when you engage your diaphragm, so that your central nervous system can calm down, your vagus nerve can calm down. Another thing is pull your ears. Pull your ears firmly, not that it hurts too much. And that also will stimulate your vagus nerve. Check out somatic exercises. Our body is very often in constant tension, and we have unrealistic fears because something realistic might have happened in the past, but we didn't process it. So we're still living in that energy. And then voice, say it out loud. Say out loud what is going on. I'm afraid I'm going to get sick. I'm afraid I'm going to lose my job. I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to pay my mortgage. I'm afraid I'm going to be losing the love of my life. I'm afraid I'm never gonna be more confident, and this is the best that I can get. Or what if it gets even worse? I'm afraid to leave the house. I'm afraid to come back to my home. So say it out loud. That in itself will activate your frontal cortex and take you also out of the amygdala, out of the fight flight, where it's just like looping. And then move into something called self-coaching. And that is, okay, so what is it that I want? I want to feel better. I want to take out the view. I want to feel calmer. I want to know how to get out of this. Okay, write down what it is also that you're afraid of, what you're anxious about, and then what are my options? Who can I ask for help? What is available out there? Who can I call that can be there with me? And these are 3 simple ways. Not in a way like, sometimes yes, we need a bit of like a jumpstart willpower, but you're training yourself to deal with what is coming up. And here's also what I know: the stronger you become physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, any other level, the stronger you become, the less fear you have, the more information you have about like why a certain thing is. Now, we don't want to stay too long in the why, because again, we can be in the loop. Enough information, but more focusing on like, okay, what is it that I want, and what is out there that works. I get frustrated when my progress is slow. I am impatient, and I'm learning to be patient because I can be patient, and I know that there are techniques that can help us like jump, and at the same time, I'm right now in the process of about 2 years of gently working on myself, because I walk my talk. Anytime I overcome something from a place of authenticity, I can show my clients how to do the same thing. So become you see some snow there. Become your number one choice and project from a place of like graceful discipline. I'm not running today, I'm walking up the hills. Look how steep that is. I live somewhere up down there. So move your body. That will be the fastest one. I think, even though a lot of people don't do it, but it's a bit easier to move your body than to master your mind, because we have thousands of thoughts, apparently 80,000 thoughts throughout the day. And I saw like a big bug behind me. And mastering our thoughts is more challenging. And when you master your thoughts, you can also then master, doing something, getting out there. So I hope you enjoyed the walk with me, and I'd love you to feel inspired, because even when life is tough and when tragedies are living, I live from a place, yes, and yes, it's hard. Here's me with olive tree. Yes, life is hard and challenging, and I can look after myself, and I can make meditation a non-negotiable in some sort of movement, because that's the stronger you are, the easier you're going to deal with life. The more support systems you have, the easier you're going to deal with life. Do not believe the false premise. Somewhere we bought into the stupid lie that we need to do it all alone. Yes, even when we have coaches and mentors, it's us getting out there and doing the thing. My coaches couldn't go onto the European or World Championship for me. They came with me, but they couldn't lift the weights for me. I was the one on stage. Same thing. But they were necessary for me to have the support, for them to see things that I couldn't see, for them to slap the self-doubt out of me, and to get me back to reality of this was possible, or pull me back if my ego was trying to kind of like do more than what my body is capable. So it is a yes and.